What is going on? Stop the car! What the heck is going on? Help me! Help me!
Please help me!
Help me! Call everyone over to help us!
Please help me!
Found it! Help me! Help me! Something's wrong. He needs help. Come on, let's go! Here I come! Alright. Don't worry, I'm here. Help me! Call everyone over to help us. Are you okay, buddy? I will ask someone for help. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Let's get started! Wow, great! We made it! We made it! Thanks! If you need help, give me a call. Okay, let's go! Let's go home! Bye-bye! See you again! It's very dangerous ahead. I've got an idea! Hello, I've got a job for you. Give me that task. I'm going! Okay, done. Alright. Very good. I'm going. Wonderful. Oh. Very good. We have to finish the job with him today. Whoa, you are great. Wow, it looks good. Let's go home. Thank you for trusting me. See you again.